Hello and welcome back to Understanding Crypto. My name is Herve, and every other day on this channel I try to bring you crypto in the easiest way possible on the internet. If that's a type of content you find interesting, you know what to do. Click the like button and subscribe to the channel with your notifications on so that you don't get to miss any other value-packed video like this one. The other time I got a question of someone asking me in my DMs that can you make real money with crypto? And so I was like, what? It's a funny question. So I didn't really know what to say, like how do I answer that? So I thought of making a video to tell you the 10 different ways you can make money in crypto. And the other time as well, somebody asked me what arbitrage is. It shows that a lot of people do not know the different ways to make money in crypto. Hence, we found ourselves in this video. So today we are going to talk about the 10 different ways to make money in crypto. The first way to make money in crypto is investing in crypto. So this is pretty obvious, yes? It basically involves buying and holding coins or NFTs because you believe it's going to go up in value in some time in the future. And of course, crypto is a fast-paced environment, so your investment can do multiple thousands of percentage gains in a very short period of time. Some can do this in weeks, months, and some years. So just know that investments differ from each other. The way they perform differ, and sometimes some may do well, sometimes some may not do well. Sometimes you can sell and need just the next day it does well. People who hold coins for price appreciation in the future are called HODLers. The risks associated with investing is that holding cryptocurrency for future price appreciation, or just because you want to use it, because sometimes you could buy a coin or token because you want to use it, does not necessarily mean that it will be worth anything or say worth more in the future. So there is no guarantee. It's more like a black hole, a singularity. That's how they call it. In fact, the coin or token in question can die. So the project itself can die. And this happens all the times, particularly with nanocaps or microcaps. They die a lot of the times, and even large caps like Terra Luna is basically dead at this point. So investing in cryptocurrency is an all or nothing game. There is nothing that is impossible in this space. Investing in crypto is a long-term plan, and the only reason why you'd want to sell is if you changed your mind completely about the asset, or it went into good profits and you cashed out. Apart from this, you are in an all or nothing game. The second way to make money in crypto is by trading cryptocurrency. With trading, you actively buy and sell cryptocurrencies to profit from their price fluctuations. You can either spot trade or trade in the futures markets, or even do arbitrage trading. Spot market trading means you are actually buying the coins or tokens and selling them as their prices go up or down. Now, up or down here, because spot trading does not mean that you can't sell at a loss. You can sell at a loss to avoid further loss. Hence, each time you want to take a trade, you must have a certain percentage of your portfolio you are willing to lose. Usually, this shouldn't be more than 1% of your entire portfolio. So if you have $100 and you want to take a spot trade, you must make sure that whatever amount you want to use in a given trade, the maximum loss should not be more than 1% of your portfolio. You can spot trade both on centralized and decentralized exchanges. The links to the exchanges I use are in the description, by the way. The risks associated with spot trading is, of course, loss of capital. Risking a certain part of your portfolio each time you take a trade can potentially lead to loss of a large part of your portfolio. You could argue that if the price goes down, you'll just hold the asset until the price goes back up, but that would be investing. Now, futures trading is somewhat similar to spot trading. Just in this case, you are using borrowed money and you are buying and selling contracts of the underlying asset itself, not the asset. For example, you have $100. Instead of using the 100, you use $10 at 10x leverage. This will mean that your gains and losses will be multiplied by 10. So a 2% raw move in the price of the contract that you are either longing or shorting in the futures market will mean a 20% gain or loss for you. So trading in the futures markets amplify your wins and losses. That's the basic way of seeing it. Similar to spot trading, futures trading can also result to loss of capital as well. The advantage of trading futures is it actually allows you the flexibility to benefit from price dumps, not only price pumps, because in the spot market, you can only make money if price goes up. But in the futures markets, you can make money as price goes down. Trading in the futures markets allow you to use money you did not have in the first place. So you can make money with a very small amount of initial deposit. So it actually allows you to have more risk management capabilities, basically. With arbitrage, what you do is you buy or sell cryptocurrencies on different platforms, be it from one centralized exchange to another, and from decentralized exchanges to centralized exchanges, and vice versa. So it's basically buying from this exchange because the price was cheap and selling in another exchange because it's more expensive there. Price is never the same on all exchanges. When these price differences are wide enough, arbitrage traders buy from one exchange and sell on the other exchange. I said wide enough because trading fees can eat into the profits, so the price difference should be really worth it for a trader to do arbitrage. I will leave the link to my what is a liquidity pool video in the description of this one so that you can understand a lot more on liquidity with DeFi. The main danger with arbitrage trading is currency price drop. So if you buy a token from Uniswap to sell on a centralized exchange because you see a great price difference, there is a chance that before you get to the centralized exchange, the price may have dropped even lower than your expected selling price. It can happen from centralized exchange to centralized exchange as well. So you can buy, say, on OKX and you want to sell on Binance. By the time you log into Binance, price has plummeted, combined again with the fees. Sometimes, especially on Uniswap, when you are buying on Ethereum, the fees can be crazy, especially in the bull market. Anyway, the third way to make money in crypto will be staking and mining. You can participate in proof-of-stake networks like Cardano by holding and staking coins to earn rewards in the form of crypto. The dangers here depend on a couple of things like the network's security. By that, we mean that you can stake your crypto on a network that promises to give you very high returns. We've heard about this before. If you were in the 2021 bull run, you will remember, I think that was Time Wonderland. A lot of people invested in it and just got rocked. By that, we are saying that the network may promise to give you very high returns, then the network gets compromised, which can be both internal or an external attack. Also, keep in mind that staking crypto means you get rewarded in crypto. So unless you are being rewarded in a stable coin, staking can be very risky because your rewards may not be sufficient enough to cover up if the price of the asset you are staking dropped tremendously. This could be why Mr. Vitalik Buterin is not staking his own Ethereum. Yes, that could be a reason, because Ethereum would give him maybe 3 to 4, maybe 5% per year, and he would have like millions of it. So if he is not staking, then why? This could be a possible reason that he is anticipating a very big drop, which his staking rewards may not cover for the drop, so the drop of the asset in question. So that could be one of the problems you will have with staking. Now, instead of staking, if you could have the hardware required to mine crypto, this could be a way for you. So this way, you secure the network in exchange for newly created cryptocurrency and earn transaction fees as well. In some cases like that of Crust Network, you can provide storage space and earn crypto for that as well. The danger with mining is that the crypto you mine may drop in value as well, which will mean that the electricity and hardware cost may not be covered. So yeah, with everything we have a problem, and this is why the electricity cost of Bitcoin is a very important metric when doing macro analysis on Bitcoin. If the price drops below the electricity cost, miners could sell off to cover the cost of mining. The fourth way to make money in crypto will be yield farming. Here, you participate in decentralized finance platforms to lend or provide liquidity in exchange for interests or rewards. The risks here range from things like DeFi platform getting compromised to other things like impermanent loss. The fifth way to make money in crypto is through airdrops. This is actually the only way to make money in crypto that might have the least risk. It involves receiving cryptocurrency, coins, tokens, or NFTs through airdrops. So basically, some projects may give free crypto or free NFTs, and you might be like, why the hell will they be giving you free crypto and free NFTs? They do this because when starting a project, one thing a project may need is some level of adoption, or a community basically that can test out some of their products. That way they can, market things that have been tested by some people. So the best way to create a community is to give free stuff, free crypto, free NFTs. And yes, these airdrops can sometimes yield thousands in returns when the projects launch or gain some user adoption. The only two risks here is that you may try to participate in an airdrop which requires that you spend some amount of money, can range from $100, maybe from $20 to $100, maybe to $200, depending on the network you're using, and this will probably be Ethereum. You may spend that money and never receive an airdrop, so it's not a guarantee. The only other risk I can think of is that bad actors also participate in stuff like this. Since it's an airdrop, a lot of people like to participate in them, so they can send some fishy tokens to your wallet. So never randomly accept an airdrop. You have to make sure that it's from a legitimate source. Apart from that, there's really no risk at all. Sometimes you could get airdrops where you didn't have to spend anything. Create a wallet, interact with their, I think Sui did this, interact with their protocol, and you might have an airdrop. Arbitrum did this as well. The sixth way to make money in crypto is participating in ICO, IEOs, STOs. This is another less risky way to make money in crypto. And you would have to invest in initial coin offerings or ICOs, initial exchange offerings, or IEOs. I usually send you some of these on Binance. They do that on Binance all the times. And security token offerings to support new blockchain projects. Basically, the idea here is getting in super early on projects. Now, we will be doing a launchpad video comparing some launchpads very soon on this channel. This is how you can get into ICOs in the next bull market. So be subscribed with your notifications on for that. Most projects that like Ethereum, had an ICO. At this stage, the price of the coins and tokens are extremely low as they haven't hit the open market yet. Most of these offerings occur on exchanges, aka IEOs, and on launchpads. So if you want to get into coin super early, you may need to look into this. Again, I'll be making a video about this later, so be on the lookout. Another way to get into projects super early is by buying on Uniswap, but this means more risks as compared to ICO or IEOs, as the tokens you'd be buying haven't been vetted by anyone, so you are taking all the risks to yourself. With this participating in ICOs, there is not much risk as buying in the open market, because when you're buying in the open market, it is those who bought at ICO that are selling to you. When you are the first in any sector, or even investing in crypto, in any crypto, if you are very early, it becomes less risky for you, because when the project goes to a bigger exchange or say in a bigger market, you have more people who will obviously want to buy that thing from you, so it's less risky for you in this sense. The seventh way to make money in crypto is by starting a crypto business or a crypto project. You can start cryptocurrency related businesses such as crypto exchanges, wallet services, paid groups, blockchain consulting, or you start your own crypto project. Of course, the risks here may include things like regulation and other business type problems. The eighth way to make money in crypto is by content creation. Creating content about cryptocurrencies by sharing your thoughts, educational courses, webinars, writing informative content for which you charge fees, or just getting paid by social media platforms. The risks here involve the likes of Gary Gensler coming for you. The ninth way of making money in crypto is crypto jobs and freelancing. Now, you can offer your skills and expertise in the crypto space by working for blockchain companies or freelancing in areas like development, marketing, or writing. The only risk here will be that you do not get paid by some project you are working for. The 10th way of making money in crypto is through cryptocurrency affiliate programs. Here you can promote cryptocurrency products or services through affiliate marketing programs and earn commissions on referrals. There are basically no risks with this one. You just have to refer another company and take a cut from the, say, a user using their product or service. Out of all of these ways of making money in crypto, the wealthiest people in crypto have come from either investing in crypto long term, that's buying and holding. Yes, the wealthiest people in crypto have come from buying and holding, or creating crypto companies like Binance, CZ is an example, or creating your own project like Vitalik Buterin and Cardano's founder and some other founders that you may know. These are the three top ways to make money in crypto: either investing, creating a crypto product or service, or creating your own crypto. That's it for my 10 ways to make money in crypto. If you found it interesting, click the like button. If there is another way I did not mention, let me know in the comment. Apart from these 10 ways, you can also talk about rock pulling and scamming, but we can't make an entire video to talk about how you can make money by rock pulling and scamming. So they are not really ways, they are just theft. So those are the ways to make money in crypto. If there is any one of these ways you did not know of before this video, let me know which one. I will see you in the next video. Stay safe.